Hey, good afternoon. It's Jeremiah with Mobility 316. Today I'm shooting a video of our 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan SE Plus. This is a rear entry, manual ramp and door, easy to operate, low cost to maintain. I can operate this entire conversion using just 2 fingers. These clamps, they keep these ramps from rattling. I pinch and I flip. It's got a handle on both sides. Again, I pinch and I flip. And I can take the stand to the ground using only my index finger. I tell our customers, if you can lift a half a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate this 34-inch wide ramp with ease. That's 4 inches wider than most side entries. So if you're looking to haul a bigger chair or chairs, the rear entry might be the answer for you. If someone parks next to you in a side entry wheelchair van, you cannot get out in your wheelchair. Not the case with the rear entry. The rear entry have more ground clearance for getting over rougher terrain, and they're more affordable to convert, therefore more affordable for you to purchase. It does have an 800-pound weight capacity, got about 56 inches of headroom, both coming inside the van. And then once you're inside the van, it does taper down to about 32 inches of width here at the base. Got 8 tie-down points, so you can get up to 2 wheelchairs at a time in here, or a gurney or a stretcher. Got your spare tire, headliner's in great shape. Got your rear air up there, cup holders in the rear for your passengers, and we can even put a 3rd row passenger seat that'll flip down when it's in use, flip up when it's not in use. So if you want to haul 6 people plus a wheelchair, you've got that option. There's about 21 inches of room between those seats. We also can put the flip base seats that flip up on their side in here. My point is, let us know how many people you're hauling. Let us help customize this van to meet your needs. Got the upgraded Q-strength tie downs in here. Put a shoulder harness over there. Now be aware, a lot of our competition are selling you the cheap pull tight tie downs. Now these things are $500-600 for the set, so be sure to compare apples to apples when you're comparing us to the competition. Got your warranty and instructions there. Got a real nice center console there. There's plug-ins for all your electronics. You got even more cup holders. Rear air, dual climate control. Dash is in great shape. No cracks or holes in the dash. Steering wheel control, so you can keep your eyes on the road. You can even sync up your phone here, so you can drive safely. So when you get everybody secure, come back out, reverse the process. Again, all it takes is 1 finger. Just like that. Super simple to do. They're not going to break down like the costly power ramps and doors that can be super expensive to work on. So if you can get by with a manual ramp and door, I highly suggest it. Give the trunk a slam and you're ready to roll. Tinted windows in the rear. It's got the alloy wheels. The rear tires are a Falcon brand, and these are darn near brand new tires on this thing. Excellent condition. Name brand tire, the Falcon brand. As I do a walk around of the van here, you can see it's very clean. I'm looking for a dent or a scratch. This van is excellent condition for a 2016. Now up here, the front tires that came on are pretty bald. We had some brand new Firestones at the warehouse we put on this. So it's got brand new Firestones up front, dang near brand new Falcons in the rear. So they don't match all together, but front are Firestone, rear Falcon. This van's tires should not be a problem for quite a while. Got 4 darn near brand new tires. 2 brand new and 2 darn near brand new in the rear. As you can see here, I'm looking hard to find little blemish in this van. I'm not going to sit here and tell you it's perfect. I'm going to tell you for a 2016, you're not going to find cleaner. So, and that's one advantage of buying from us. I'm the owner. I'm buying from the same perspective you are. I want some good quality vehicle. You know, a lot of these dealers out there, they have a buyer that just goes out and buys vehicles. They don't care if it's a good deal. They don't care if it's got a salvage title. They don't care if it's been in a wreck. All they care about is just making that money for each vehicle they buy. I hand select each one of our vehicles. I put my name on each one of our vehicles. It's a lot different buying from me than buying from one of those big dealers. And no matter who you do business with, make sure you get a video of this VIN number right here. And why I say a video, a lot of scammers are out there taking pictures of vehicles, putting them on Facebook Marketplace, and then they'll pretend they're selling one of my vans. They'll just cut out the Mobility 316 and say some van I'm selling for, $40,000, whatever. They'll put it on there for $12,000. They're trying to get you to send them a deposit. Once you send them the deposit, they disappear off the face of the earth. So if you were to say to that person, hey, send me a video of that VIN number right there, well, they couldn't do it because they don't have the van. They're scammers. So don't get scammed. Make sure you get a video of that VIN number. Okay, what I like to do is always show a VIN number. On the VIN number, I like to show that Carfax report. You can see no accidents or damage. Carfax shows no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title. And this is a 1 owner. Now, I don't know why Carfax doesn't always say it up here, but if there was 1 line running up and down here, it means 1 owner. If there was 2 owners, there'd be a 2nd line. 3 owners, there'd be a 3rd row. So 1 owner, Carfax shows no total loss, never been structural damage, airbags have never been deployed, odometer's accurate, no accident or damage. So nice clean Carfax report. And no matter who you do business with, find them online, check out their reviews and ratings. Look at us on eBay, 1,505 transactions. Every single one of those transactions left us positive feedback. I would say that qualifies for a good reputation. And no matter who you do business with, find them online, find them on Google. Make sure they are a real company. You can see we're here on Google in Wichita, Kansas. 4.8 out of 5-star reviews, 290 reviews. I hear a lot of people, they tell me horror stories about how they bought from a private individual. The vehicle ended up being stolen. You know, the buyer had to give it back. They were out the money. They can't get a title for the vehicle. And bought a vehicle that was in a flood. Or they end up buying from one of these dealers. You know, they don't even bother. The buyer doesn't even bother looking up the reviews here. Those are very important. You end up buying from one of the dealers that gives you, frame damage vehicle you didn't know about. Also, rebuilt or a salvage title that they didn't tell you about. So if you want, 1 and 2 star vans and 1 and 2 star customer service, you go ahead and give them a call. If you want 5-star vans with 5-star service from a company that's been doing this for a dozen years, I look forward to working with you. All right, back to the van. We got the keyless entry. We've got 1 key fob. If you want us to get additional keys made on your dime, we'd sure be happy to do so. Now, as I enter the van, very clean. I am a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors on this black cloth in here. This interior looks darn near brand new. Whichever one owner had this van, they took great care of this van, and you can see the second row of seats here as well. Also very clean, and just a little different perspective for those of you that may not have seen inside one of these vans before. As I get in to start the van, you can see the miles are 49,523 miles. Van fires right up. All the dummy lights work and they all go out. There's no check engine lights on, no airbag, no ABS. Okay, that radio works just fine. And I've got 3 mechanics that work for me. We've tested all the power mirrors and windows. I'm going to show you those moving up and down. We tested all the power locks, the heat, air, cruise, belts, hoses, suspension, steering, brakes, replace fluids as necessary. Taking them on a road test. I'm even going to show you the back vents moving back there on both sides. So my point is, we do not just run these through the car wash and put them on the lot. They go through a very thorough inspection before they hit my lot. Underneath the hood, we got a 3.6 V6 engine. Idles smoothly, no signs of any damage, no signs of any leaks, and it purrs like a kitten. As I crawl underneath the van, you can see very clean. No signs of any bent metal from an accident. No signs of any fluid leak, oil or nothing like that. No signs of any water damage from being in a flood. And no signs of any rust from being up north in the Rust Belt. And that's the #1 mistake people make when they buy used vehicles. They assume things. They assume just because it only has 49,000 miles on it, they assume it runs and drives good. They assume it's never been in a bad accident or a flood, and that is the absolute most dangerous thing you can do. Do not assume things. So what I want you to do, I want you to go check out my competition. I want you to ask yourself, do they show their reputation online so you know you're dealing with somebody that's reputable and honest? Do they show you a Carfax report so you know you're buying a vehicle that's got a clean title, no major accidents or damage, and never been in a flood? Do they do a detailed video so you know exactly what you're getting? And do they have brand new tires on their van? So when it comes to not only price, when it comes to reputation, and when it comes to how thorough they are and showing you the exact vehicle you're getting, please, I beg you, compare me to the competition. You know what ends up happening if you buy a van that you can't get a title for, or you buy a van that won't pass inspection because it's got frame damage from a flood or an accident, and it may not pass inspection in your state, and if you can't get a title for it, you can't register it. You just bought a 4,000-pound paperweight. So to avoid that, do 4 things before you buy from anybody. Demand a detailed video like this. Not some lazy 30-second walk around. Are they really going to ask you to send $30,000 or $40,000 to them based on a couple pictures? Come on, it's 2024. Life's a lot easier than that. Second, demand a Carfax report. Yes, Carfax are very expensive. I spend thousands of dollars a month on them, but like I said it, and I mean it, I'm buying from your perspective. I'm the owner. I want good, clean vehicles. I Carfax every single one of them. That only benefits you. Third, get online, find out who you're buying from. We talked about this a little bit. Check out their reputation. Lazy buyers get scammed. Don't be a lazy buyer. Make sure you know who you're buying from. And then finally, demand a warranty. Our van comes with a 90-day, 3,000-mile drivetrain plus warranty. Good at any shop in the country. We stand behind our product and make sure every single van comes with a warranty. Do not risk buying as is. demand that warranty. Let's get her out for a test drive. Okay, the final portion of the video. I always like to get the vans out on the highway, give them some gas so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and you know, whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or if you come in and drive this Caravan home. We've done our due diligence, we've made sure that it's roadworthy, steering wheel's nice and straight, no unusual vibration or noise. If traffic permits it here, I'll pop it up to 70 miles an hour so you can see good acceleration. I think we got a little, there we go. All right, pops up to 70 miles an hour, no problem. Runs and drives darn near like a brand new van. Very clean, very nice. Do keep in mind, we do have a complimentary 90-day warranty at no additional charge to you. We do have longer term warranties that cover more components on the van, so talk to me about how you can affordably protect your investment long term. Also, keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers, they have a real nice price online. What they have hidden in the fine print, $500 administrative fee, they've got dock fees, they've got tag fees, they've got freight, you name it, they got a fee for it. You know what they don't have? Free shipping. So by the time you add up all those hidden fees, by the time you add up the shipping cost, that real nice price you saw online, well, it just jumped $3,000 to $4,000. That's not such a nice price anymore, is it? So be sure to ask about the hidden fees and shipping before you buy, or sit back, relax, let me take care of all that for you at no additional charge to you. And my question to you, if someone's not telling you the real price of a vehicle, if they're trying to sneak a bunch of hidden fees on the back end to try and make more money out of you, what else are they hiding from you? Is it a salvage title? Is it flood damage? Is it mechanical issues? You know, I can't speak for them, but one thing I can speak for, that in any business, transparency is key, and especially the used car business. That's exactly why I'm out here making this video, in an attempt to be 100% transparent. So keep that in mind when you're out shopping. I give the van a nice hard brake. No grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration. So again, exactly what we're looking for. Now, if you'd like to give us a phone call, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. I am the owner. That's a direct contact to my cell phone. Give me a call, give me a text. Let us know how we can help. And I challenge you to ask the competition if they're dedicated enough to customer service to give you the owner's cell phone number. Or do you get to call in and talk to an automated system, end up in somebody's voicemail and never get a call back? Or maybe you do get that live person as that super pushy, aggressive used car salesman who's going to call you 5 times a day to ask if you're ready to make a deal. So if you're like me, sick of being treated like a number, just a number by all these companies out there, and you definitely want to avoid that annoying used car salesman, give me a call, give me a text. I'll walk you through start to finish, and I promise you I'm going to sell this Caravan whether you buy it or not. Absolutely zero pressure sales here. But yes, we do have financing available. We can send an application to your phone or email address, and if computers aren't your thing, don't hesitate, pick up the phone, give us a call. We're more than happy to take an application over the phone. Yes, we do take trade-ins, even from across the country, whether standard or mobility vehicle. Call me, I can explain how that works. And if you made it to the end of our video, thanks for hanging in there. Give us a thumbs up on YouTube. We'd really appreciate that. Give us a follow if you want to be one of the first to see all of our upcoming videos and inventory. And if you ever do want to come in, and please make that appointment with us. We stay super busy. We're more than happy to spend some time with you, but you do need to make that appointment. Give us a call, give us a text. Let's get it set up. And if you'd like to see our entire inventory with detailed videos just like this, free shipping, free Carfax reports, dozens of pictures, and no hidden fees from the most thorough and transparent mobility dealership in the country, check out our website 24 hours a day at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. And as always, thank you so much for checking out Mobility 316, home of affordable mobility solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.